alright if I stay today? Is it alright if I stay today? Take my time, far behind, leave my pride. Oh, is it alright if I stay? Is it alright if we just stay today? Is it alright? 'Cause I wish we could just stay. Take our time, far behind, leave our pride. Oh, is it alright if we stay? Is it alright if I decide but change my mind? Is that okay? Is it alright if I don't wanna feel obliged in any way? Is it alright if I waste my time and I lead myself to a mistake? When I roll on by, I won't ask why, I'll just accept and walk away. Oh. Lucy comes outside when it's silent and there's no one around. She hates high-pitched voices that scream and shout. She can't stand the sound. Lucy knows her limit when she swallows her pills one by one. She loves the high that's due, and she hates the later on down. Hey Lucy, how are you feeling now? Hey Lucy, how are you feeling now? Lucy hates to feel reality knocking on her door. So she injects herself now before she makes sure there's always more. Lucy's scared to death, but all she knows is how to run away. Maybe Lucy, you and me, that's our specialty. Hey Lucy, how are you feeling today? Hey Lucy, you and me always running away. Hey Lucy, you and me always running away. He was 16, holding her hand. They were wasting all the time they had. They were building big wonders they knew. Time stayed as long as they wanted, remained as much as they needed. The world flies around me with you. Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together, we can nurture each other. Find us another world to be. All the beauty we'll see. Won't you sing me a song and take me among the flowers? We'll grow, we'll conquer the world. These feelings will remain with me. She was 15, spinning in a daydream, waiting, counting and wishing for that ship to sail them away. Can't you see it's coming, shining in stay. Let's stay here forever, be here together. We could nurture each other, find us another world to be. All the beauty we'll see. Won't you sing me a song and take me among the flowers? We'll grow, we'll conquer the world. These feelings will remain with me. Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together, we could nurture each other, find a different world to be. Hope it's beauty we'll see. I'll sing you a song, it's taken so long. The flowers we've grown are standing alone. These feelings have remained with me. No right choice in my possibilities. No peace of mind in my state of mind. All I know is what feels good to me. My heart's on the line, maybe it's time. Come clean.